we have our board out of the box. It's ready to be hung on the wall. One thing to note is that normally these would come with a mounting template, which would take away all the stress and hassle of using measuring tape to actually measure the distance to the mounts to hang the mounting slats. Unfortunately, ours didn't have a template in the box. There's no instructions in the box, so we were able to find instructions online which told us exactly how to measure and how to mount the slats. So the first thing that you have to do is measure from the top to the bottom of this bracket right here. Now, my measurement is 9.5 inches. But what you then have to do is add 7/8 to that, because that is the width of the mounting slat that you're going to put on the wall. So I'll make a note of that measurement. I'll add 7/8. The next thing is to do the same thing for the bottom, measure from the top to the bottom of that mount. That's about 44 inches, so I'll add 7/8 to that, and that will give you the point which will be the bottom of the mounting slat, where exactly you'll hang that. We already have marked out the dimensions of our board here, so we already know what point we need to measure from. Once we took our measurements, then it was actually time to start drilling so we could mount this on the wall. So the first thing is we had to drill pilot holes for these sheetrock anchors. Now, in order to do that, we had to first measure from the top point of our board down to where the bottom of this mounting slat would be. Made sure that was level, had some friends to help me. We held it up here, made sure it was level, marked each of the 5 screws, then we pre-drilled these holes. We recommend you use a 1/4-inch drill bit. Luckily, one of ours actually went right into a stud, so we only needed 4 anchors. Once we pre-drilled all these holes, put our anchors in, put our screws in, and she's on the wall, perfectly level. Now we need to do the same thing for the bottom now. So, finally got both of our mounting slats up on the wall, made sure everything's level, it's measured out correctly. So now the final step is just to hang the board up on the wall, which is another step you're going to need some friends for, because this is a little bit heavy. Alright, so here it is. Our Clarus Glassboard is now mounted on the wall. It took 3 of us to get it up there safely, and that felt pretty good to us. It is a very heavy board, so at least 2 people, 3, 4 even if you're not confident. Now that it's up here, we cleaned it and it looks pretty nice. We tried writing on it with different colors. You can see certain colors look better than others, have better contrast. So experiment with different colors, see what works best. It also came with this nice magnetic marker tray, so stick that onto the board. Comes also with a couple little magnets, and the magnetism is pretty good. So we'll continue to test this in the coming weeks, but for now, we're done.